Cooking with fish does not have to be intimidating. I'm gonna show you a very simple sautéed tilapia with vegetables and white wine that anyone can cook the first time that they step into a kitchen. I'm Andrew Zimmern, and this is Seafood Without the Catch. The key to this recipe, stunning Rainforest Tilapia from Hy-Vee.
Our tilapia comes from Rainforest Tilapia. It's a great company. They integrate a lot of recycling into their systems, and they have clean water. And then we also have third-party verification where they go down there and make sure that they're doing it correctly.
It's mild, it's flaky, it's white-fleshed, and it takes on flavors so well. I can't wait to get back to my kitchen and cook it up. When I'm starting with a fish like tilapia, I'll take 3 fillets. I know it's super fresh. All the little pin bones have been removed. So what I do is I just keep the thin belly side intact, and then I cut the top part of the fillet, the loin, in half. And that way I increase the number of pieces to serve to folks. I have this great seasoning blend. You can use whatever you like. I want to get my vegetables ready because I want everything to cook in basically the same amount of time it takes the tilapia to cook, which is not very long, about 5 minutes. I'm going to cut this leek up. Let's say you want to use frozen vegetables. Absolutely. I would suggest defrosting your frozen vegetables. For the onion, I want sort of nice long pieces. Broccoli. I want to bisect it. Carrots. The fennel bulb. I absolutely love fennel. It's got the texture of celery and the faintest flavor of anise or licorice. I've preheated my pan, add a glug of olive oil. So I just tap it into the flour, give it a little shake, and just place it in the oil. And as you can see, there's just a gentle little sizzle. I'm not looking to blacken it. I don't want to burn the flour before I have a chance to lay all my pieces in. These only need to cook for a couple of minutes on each side. I just am looking for a little bit of brown color spotting around the fish. And if you notice, I'm turning this away from myself so that any hot oil spatters go away from me. And then all I'm gonna do is push my pieces of fish to the edge here, and I'm just gonna sprinkle my veg in. Shaved pieces of veg do not take that long to cook. Salt, white wine. I'm just using a dry white wine, a 1/4 cup, 100% of the alcohol cooks out in there. A tablespoon of mustard or so. Then the very last move that I make, let that butter sort of emulsify in there. Let's just stir this back and forth, and let's turn this into a lovely butter sauce. Put a portion of 6-7 ounces on each plate. And then I've got this fabulous veg and sauce combination on each plate. Sautéed tilapia with vegetables and white wine. An elegant, beautiful dish. Your whole family's gonna love it. It's one of my favorite ways to prepare any kind of fish, and ideal with tilapia from Hy-Vee.